After endosperm and embryo formation, the next structure which is formed is called seed, which is a mature ovule formed inside the fruit, which is a mature ovary. So, a flower shows many changes, like the parts like sepals, petals, stamens, style, and stigma fall off, whereas the ovary part swells up. The ovary wall is called as pericarp, which becomes the fruit wall, and the ovule develops into the seeds. The seed has got two main parts. One is the embryo part, which consists of plumule, radicle, and cotyledons. And also some seeds may have some other part which is called as endosperm. So based on the presence or absence of endosperm in the seed may be either albuminous or non-albuminous. There is also another term called as perisperm. There are some seeds like the black pepper. You can see they are rough. That rough part is the persistent nucellus. And some seeds show seed dormancy also. They are not active when the conditions are unfavorable. So let us focus on the types of seeds. This is a normal type of seed. It's an immature seed where you can see the endosperm and light green part, and dark green part is the embryo. But there are some seeds where this endosperm is not used up completely for the embryo formation. Such seeds are called as endospermic or albuminous seed. So seeds like maize, wheat, barley, castor, sunflower, they have the reserve food material, and that reserve food material is endosperm. That's why they are called as albuminous or endospermic seed. Most of the monocots, this is a diagram of a monocot seed. In fact, it is called grain because the ovary wall, that is pericarp, is also present. So this diagram is very important. I will explain it later on. And second, the different type of seed is non-endospermic seed, where all the endosperm is used up during the formation of embryo, and that food is stored in the cotyledons. That's why the cotyledons become thick. For example, in case of the gram, bean, pulses, groundnut, they are all non-endospermic seed and their cotyledons are quite thick. Now you will see different types of seeds. For example, the top one is the bean seed, which is non-endospermic seed, whereas all other seeds, second green color is a castor seed. It is an endospermic seed. Then the purple color seed is the onion seed, which is also an endospermic seed. And then the next is a grain like it may be a maize or rice, wheat. This structure is very important. You can see the pericarp. Then there is a lot of endosperm is there. Then focus on scutellum. It's a cotyledon, very thin cotyledon is there. Then coleoptile, which is a covering of plumule. Then coleorhiza, covering of radicle. Now you can compare the two types of the seeds. One is on the left side, it's the non-endospermic seeds like bean, and on the right side, the endospermic seed, that is maize. The main difference is the absence of endosperm in bean seed. So the significance of seeds, you can see because of the seed, the distribution of angiosperm is so dominant on earth. That is the main reason for the success of angiosperms on the earth. Seeds show various positive characters so that the plant survives in